Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to install Linux without a USB. Now the first thing I want you to do is come to rufus.ie and I want you to download this software. Okay, you can choose this according to your computer type. So if you're using a Windows 64-bit version, you can download this one. If it's a 32-bit version, you can download this one as well. And then once it's installed, I want you to just run Rufus on your computer. And the tool will actually open up immediately. You don't even have to install it. You just connect a USB drive with at least 2 gigabytes of free space to your Windows PC. And you can use it that way, or you can create your own using a partition. Okay? So just go ahead and choose, what kind of device you want, either 16 gigs, 2 gigabytes. And for the file system, choose FAT32 if that one is available. And then you can choose the label as well. And then I want you to click here on create a bootable disk using ISO image. And then click here to select the image, which is basically the Linux file. Just click here on yes. And just make sure right in ISO image mode is toggled on. Click here on OK. You will be warned about this. That's okay. If you don't have anything important, you can just go ahead and click on OK. Just use the partition. And then I just want you to restart your computer and boot it from the partitioned USB drive you created using your hard disk. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.